Hello, I'm Irfan from Pyxis. Today we are at Wenxin Machinery in Nanjing, China. This factory manufactures industrial components for elevators, escalators, and machinery. Because our client ordered elevator lubrication systems, we are here to inspect the factory, meet with the team, and learn about the production process. Let's go! This factory has been manufacturing advanced equipment and lubrication systems for elevators and escalators since 1999. And now it is the sole supplier of lubrication systems to top 5 elevator manufacturers in the world. But let's be honest, for many businesses, connecting with a professional manufacturer like this is challenging. That's why we built Pyxis, to solve this problem and many more. Businesses buying from China always worry about fair price, quality, inspection and shipment. But at Pyxis, we handle it all. We will be a dedicated arm of your business in China. From finding the right manufacturer to expert price negotiation, inspection and shipment, we handle every aspect of your China sourcing, so you can focus on your business back home. For a limited time only, we offer free product research for our select customers. Contact us now and tell us what you need.